Hi everyone, this is Toyba from Tesla Creations. Today I'm going to be making this lovely circular crop top. So for this yarn, you just need any DK weight yarn and a 4.5 mm hook for a size medium. So to start, I'm going to be doubling this yarn to make up for a DK weight and my 4.5 mm hook. So we'll make a slip knot and then we'll make a chain of 104. So go ahead and complete your chain, and I'll come back to show you what to do next. So I've chained 104 and I've joined it in the round with a slip stitch. Make sure when you join the chains that it does not twist. You can see mine that is not twist, so that when you make your project, it will be straight. So to start, I'm going to chain one and make one single crochet into the first stitch. You can mark your stitch if it's up, then one single crochet in the next 23 stitches. That's a total of 24 single crochet. After 24 single crochet, I'm going to make 5 half double crochet, then 46 double crochet, then 5 half double crochet, then repeat 24 single crochet, and then we join in the round. I'll write the instruction above so you can follow. So I'll come back to show you when I'm through with the round. So I'm about to complete round 1. I'm going to finish the round with a slip stitch to the first stitch of the round. So now, moving on to round 2, I'm going to chain 1, then single crochet 2 together, go into the first stitch, pull up a loop, go into the next stitch, and we have 3 loops in our yarn over and pull through all 3. So I've done a reduction of 1 stitch. I'm going to mark my first stitch, then I'm going to make 22 single crochet, 3 half double crochet, then make 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches after the 3 half double crochet that we have made, then 22 double crochet, then 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches after that, then 22 double crochet, then 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches after that, then 3 half double crochet, then we'll make 22 single crochet and finish the round off with single crochet 2 together. So at the end of round 2, you should have a total of 108 stitches. So go ahead and finish yours. So at the end of round 2, I've done the last stitch, which is a single crochet 2 together. So at this point, I'm not going to join. From here on, I'm going to be working in rows. So I'm going to chain 1 and turn. So we are doing row 3 now, sorry. So I'm going to start with single crochet 2 together, going to the next stitch, and just single crochet 2 together. So I'll be putting a stitch marker there. That's the first stitch of our row. Then I'll make 22 single crochet. Please do note I'm using US stems. So I'll make 22 single crochets, 4 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 23 double crochet, 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then another 23 double crochet, then 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then 4 half double crochet, then 22 single crochet, and then I'll end the row with single crochet 2 together. At the end of row 3, I shall have a total of 112 stitches. So go ahead and finish that, and I will join you when I'm through with mine. So I'm about to complete round 3 now. So I'm going to go into this stitch, yarn over and pull through, and into the last stitch to complete single crochet 2 together. So I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on my hook. Moving on to round 4, chain 1, turn. For round 4, I'm going to start with single crochet 3 together. So going to the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, to the second one, yarn over, pull through, into the third one, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on my hook. So after the single crochet 2 together, which is our first stitch, we are going to make 22 single crochets, 4 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches after that, then 23 double crochet, then 2 double crochet in the next 4 stitches after that, then 23 double crochet again, then 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches after that, then 4 half double crochet, then we make 22 single crochet and finish the round with single crochet 3 together. At the end of row 4, we should have a total of 116 stitches. So go ahead and do that. I'll join and show it mine. So I'm through with round 4. So moving on to round 5 now, I'm going to chain 1, turn my work, and then make single crochet 3 together. I'm going to mark my first stitch and then make 22 single crochet. Then after that, 4 half double crochet, then 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then 25 double crochet, then 2 double crochet in the next 4 stitches, then 25 double crochet, 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 4 half double crochet, then 22 single crochet, and then we'll finish the row with single crochet 3 together. So go ahead and do that. I'll be back. So I'm through with row 5. Moving on to row 6 now, I'm going to chain 1, turn, then single crochet 3 together. So I'm going to mark my first stitch, then I'll make 22 single crochet, 4 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches after that, 27 double crochet, 2 double crochet in the next 4 stitches after that, then another 27 double crochet, then 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then 4 half double crochet, then 22 single crochet, and then finish the row off with single crochet 3 together. So at the end of round 6, we should have a total of 124 stitches. So just go ahead and finish that. You can see that our top part is beginning to form. So I'll join at the end of row 6 when I'm through with mine. So I'm through with row 6. Moving on to row 7 now. Chain 1, turn, single crochet 3 together, yarn over and pull through all 4 stitches. So I'm going to mark my first stitch and then make 22 single crochet, then 4 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then 29 double crochet, then 2 double crochet in the next 4 stitches, then another 29 double crochet, then 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches after that, then 4 half double crochet, then 22 single crochet, and then we finish the row with single crochet 2 together. At the end of row 7, we should have a total of 128 stitches. So I'll join when I'm through with mine. I'm through with row 7. Moving on to row 8 now, I'm going to chain 1, turn, then single crochet 3 together, I'll mark my stitch, then make 22 single crochet, then 4 half double crochet, then 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then 31 double crochet, then 2 double crochet in the next 4 stitches, then another 31 double crochet, and 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then 4 half double crochet, then 22 single crochet, and then we'll finish the row with single crochet 3 together. At the end of row 8, we shall have a total of 132 stitches. I'll join you when I'm through with mine. So I'm through with row 8. Moving on to row 9 now. I'm going to chain 1, turn, then single crochet 3 together. Mark. Then I'll continue with 22 single crochet, then 4 half double crochet, then 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then 33 double crochet, then 2 double crochet in the next 4 stitches, then another 33 double crochet, then 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then 4 half double crochet, then 22 single crochet, and I'm going to finish the row with double crochet 3 together. At the end of row 9, we should have a total of 136 stitches. So continue. I'll join you when I'm done. I'm through with row 9 now. So moving on to row 10, chain 1, turn, single crochet 3 together, and over and put row 4. Mark my first stitch, then make 22 single crochet, and then 4 half double crochet, then 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then 35 double crochet, 2 double crochet in the next 4 stitches, then another 35 double crochet, then 2 half double crochet in the next two stitches, then 4 half double crochet, then 22 single crochet, and then we'll finish the row with single crochet 3 together. At the end of row 10, we should have a total of 140 stitches. So go ahead and finish. I'll join you when I'm done. So I'm through with row 10. Moving on to row 11 now. Chain 1, turn, and single crochet 3 together. Set a stitch marker, then single crochet in the next 22 stitches, then 4 half double crochet, then 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then 37 double crochet, then make 2 double crochet in the next 4 stitches, then another 37 double crochet, then 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then 4 half double crochet, then 22 single crochet, and we finish the row with single crochet 3 together. At the end of row 11, we shall have a total of 114 stitches. I'll come back when I'm through with mine. I'm through with row 11. So moving on to the final row, which is row 12. I'm going to chain 1, turn, single crochet 3 together, mark my stitch, then single crochet 22, half double crochet 4, single crochet 2 together twice, then double crochet 39, then 2 double crochet in the next 4 stitches, then another 39 double crochet, then 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then half double crochet 4, and then 22 single crochet. Then we'll finish the row with single crochet 3 together. At the end of row 12, we have a total of 148 stitches. If you want to make yours bigger, you can add additional rows, but I'm stopping at row 12. So I'll join you when I'm through with the row. So I'm about to finish row 12 now. So we have 3 stitches left. So I'm going to finish the row with single crochet 3 together. So remove the stitch marker and finish single crochet 3 together. And over and pull through all 4 loops. So chain 1 to secure, cut off yarn. So we are through with the top now. That's what our top looks like so far. The remaining thing to do now is to make the strap. And for the strap, I'm going to locate the first double crochet stitch after the half double crochet 2 together. These are the half double crochet 2 together. So this is the double crochet stitch here. You can count from here just to make sure you count your single crochet. The 22 your single crochet 2 together, and then the 22 single crochet, the 4 half double, and the single crochet 2 together. You arrive at the first, this is mine, the first stitch after the first double crochet. So I'm going to attach my yarn to that point and then make a chain of 81. If you don't like long strap, you can reduce your count. Make a chain of 81, then you skip the first stitch and go down the chain with single crochet to make that strap, and we repeat the same thing on the other end. So go ahead and make 81 chains. I'll join you when I'm through with my own 81 chains. So I finished my 81 chain. So I'm going to go skip the first stitch and then make 1 single crochet in each chain all the way down, and then slip stitch back to the beginning to finish this strap. So I'll repeat the same thing on the other hand. Locate after the double crochet after the chain 2 single crochet into the same stitch. This is the double crochet. So I'm going to attach my yarn here again and make a chain of 81, then single crochet 81 back to the beginning to complete the strap on the other end. So I'll come back when I'm through with both straps. So I'm through with both straps, you can see. So the next set of straps, from this strap here, I'm going to count 18 stitches away. So that means the 19th double crochet. I'm going to make another strap there, and the same thing on the other end. You can see I've marked those stitches. So I'm going to reattach my yarn here and chain 60. Again, if you don't like your straps to be long, you can reduce the number of chains. I'm going to chain 61, sorry, and then walk back, skip the first stitch and walk back single crochet on the remaining 60 stitches, and then I'll make a slip stitch back to the end here to complete the strap, and I'll repeat the same thing on the other end. So that once we finish that, we just need to weave in our hand. If you like to support my work, or you prefer the written pattern, the link to my Ravelry, Etsy and Lovecraft stores will be in the description box below. Also, if you like this tutorial, please give the thumbs up, like, comment, share, and please subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification button so I get notified when I release new videos. I'll go ahead and finish the strap, and I'll come back to show you what the final piece looks like. Here's the final piece. So I hope you do like it. If you do, please comment down below, like, share, and please subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.